Question number 1. What's the name of the goosebumps muscle near hair follicles? Answer C. Erector pili. Question number 2. What part of the face is called the philtrum? Answer C. Groove between nose and lip. Question number 3. What's the function of the uvula in your throat? Answer C. Speech and swallow. Question number 4. What's term for body's ability to maintain internal stability? Answer C. Homeostasis. Question number 5. What's the only part of the body with no fat cells? Answer A. Eyelids.